What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Completely skipped over this quest the first time around, but let's do medical merchandise. In this, we'll need to head to 3 different maps. Starting on Spaceport, we'll need to search 2 containers in the Departure Building's exam rooms, then search 3 containers in the hospital in Buried City, and finally on Battlegrounds, search 2 containers in the Research and Administration Building's medical room. Let's do it. To start off, we'll head to Spaceport, but you don't need to do this in any particular order. Just a quick note, I'd highly recommend checking out my interactive maps. It'll make life a lot easier. And of course, I'm currently adding quests. Just looks a bit odd right now, so you can track these on the map without having to refer to these videos, but you'll also find them embedded if you need them. Starting off on Spaceport, we'll need to search 2 containers in the Departure Building's exam rooms. The Departure Building is this red area towards the west here. There's multiple entrances. In the back here, you can enter it without even needing to enter this main area. Otherwise, on the front, left, right, there's places everywhere here. This is the building that we're looking for. Now, the exam rooms are actually in this front area here, so we'll need to head in and we'll head up towards this main piece here. Now, wherever you come in, you will need to head upstairs inside of this main area. On the northern side, we can head across and you'll find this floor over here. It's labeled medical exam room. It's right in the center. There's the downstairs, middle area, second floor. Inside of here is where we need to head, and you'll see this room marked very simply. Inside of here, we'll just need to search 2 different containers, just like that. We've done one of the 2. Look around for another, and there we go. Here's my second one searched, and just like that, we've ticked off this part of the quest, and we can head across to the next map. Next up, I've come across to Buried City. For this, we'll need to search 3 containers in the hospital. Incredibly easy. Zooming in, this northmost red section is the hospital. Head in here and search any 3 containers. For example, I headed in through the bottom section, took the zip line up, and inside this middle area here, we'll just search 3. There's 1, 2, and 3. Just like that, you've completed this step of the quest, and all we need to do now is head across to Battlegrounds to finish it off. Finally, on Battlegrounds, we'll need to head towards the Research and Administration Building, which is this one right near the south side of the center. Inside of this area down here, we'll need to enter the medical room and search 2 containers. Let's get there. Now, from this building here, you'll want to get up into the 2nd floor. There's usually a sentinel or sniper turret that spawns in there, so keep your eyes open, but head your way up these blue stairs, and on this 1st floor here, you can head inside and up the zip line there for one of the easy routes. Otherwise, keep heading up on the outside here, all the way to the top where you can enter this building. Now we're inside of Research and Administration. There's a couple of ways we can go and lots of good loot to pick up, but we'll need to head across to the southwest side of this building here. If we head across from that door through here, you'll see straight across the end of this passage, just to your right where the zip line comes up, over here, you'll find a bunch of lockers outside, which don't count, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Nope, they don't. But there's 2 restrooms behind you and the actual medical room here. If you head inside of the medical room, you'll find a couple of containers in here, but not always everything. Sometimes there's not enough to complete this task, so if you don't get it done in one go, what you need to do is head just out of here and, avoiding a turret, in the bathrooms just next to this room, you can open up these as well, and these should count. But yeah, it's that simple. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.